Hello dear student, in last lecture we have seen what is the linear system. So if the conditions or if the equation is satisfying the superposition theorem, then it is called as linear system. Then what about non-linear system? So there are some conditions to check whether the system is linear or not. And what are these conditions? The output should be 0 for 0 input. If we want to check the system is linear or not, the output should be 0 for 0 input. There should not be any non-linear operator present in the system. And what are the different non-linear operators? So non-linear operators are the trigonometric operators like sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. These are all the non-linear operators. So whenever the equation contains this trigonometric operator, then it is the non-linear operator. And what are the conditions for linear system? The output must be 0 for 0 input and there should not be any non-linear operator. So for example, yt is equal to xt plus 3. This system is not a linear system because it violates the first condition. How it violates the first condition? Because what we want as for 0 input, we want output as 0. So if we put input as 0, making xt is equal to 0, then output is not 0 because yt is equal to xt plus 3. So if I put t is equal to 0, still 3 is remaining. So yt is equal to 3, which violates the first rule that for t is equal to 0, we get 0 output. Second example is yt is equal to sine tx. In this system, if we give input as 0, the output will become 0. See here, don't be confused between sine and sine tx. If it is sine x, then the system is non-linear. But here sine tx is there. So this system is linear system because if we give input as 0, the output will become also 0. Hence first condition is clearly satisfied. That's why equation B or example B is the type of linear system. Yt is equal to sine xt. In the above system, first condition is satisfied because if we put xt is equal to 0, the output will also be sine 0 is equal to 0. That's why this is the linear system. However, the second condition is not satisfied as there is non-linear operator which operates xt. Hence the system is non-linear. So both the condition has to be satisfied. When t is equal to 0, sine 0 is 0 that we are getting. But what about the non-linearity operator? This contains the non-linearity operator, that is sine. So this equation or this system is the non-linear system. So in this way you can identify which system is the non-linear system and which system is the linear system. Thank you for listening.